Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Allwillretire token. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, April 23rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Allwillretire token, AWR is the ticker symbol. Just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, April 23rd at exactly 8:30 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed. So it is available now on xt.com. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on xt.com. Then you would go into the trade section. After you fund your account with USDT, you would search the ticker symbol AWR and then simply just buy the token. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there at Allwillretire. You see they have the contract address right there. It ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, a Solana meme coin. Now, this token is not new, still doing very well, but this token, actually, the pair was created on Radium 3 months, 17 days ago. So it's not brand new at all, but it just got this brand new central exchange listing today. And today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $510,000. So they're up 44.99% today. They've had 2,650 transactions. Market cap $5.3 million, and they have a fully diluted valuation of $5.5 million. They have $368,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and 99.94% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And on their deck screener chart, you can find a website, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Truth Social, Medium, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. So tons of links over there, including their Soul Scan. So it says AWR is a community of people bullish on themselves that are aping their futures until retirement. Rather than look inwardly to CT to drive demand and value to our holders, we look outwardly to develop new age retail demographics that aren't inclined to crypto, but rather ideals, values, and identity. AWR markets to this demographic to fulfill their emotional needs around their ideals, values, and identity. In other words, we don't want to be a coin created off a meme. We created the AWR coin to be a representative of the cultural fascination of the movement. We are the meme. We are the meme of many rags to riches stories of others, or those who now get to live aspirationally after embracing AWR. So this token here has a, on their Soul Scan, they have 4,722 holders, it says. They're also listed on CoinGecko. If you want to see the chart, you can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener as well. and there's 6 decimal places on this token. And they have a current supply of 999,672,997 tokens. If you want to join the Telegram at Allwillretire, they have 1,479 subscribers on there so far. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates, along with the Twitter that I put in the corner of the screen over here at Allwillretire, and they have a full link tree on that Twitter that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 3,740 followers on the X. So they are building your financial future. Allwillretire, supporting your vision of financial independence and the future of opulence. So it says here that there's a buy now button on their webpage that will take you to Jupiter, but then there's a big radium pool as well. You may be able to get it off other dexes like Meteora, Orca, PumpSwap, etc. But if you wanted to get it in a decentralized way, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You would go into the dApps, find Radium, and then using the contract address, you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Sol for this token. It is that easy. So their rug check says risk analysis is good. LP locked at 98.26%. It actually says 7,484 holders on the rug check there. And the Radium pool has 3.3% of the tokens. That's the biggest amount of tokens. And then the top holder has 2.7% of the tokens. And then everybody else is less than that. And yeah, so on their webpage, if you go over there, they have a vision. They're talking about individual empowerment, organic global growth. It's a community-driven token. They have all sorts of pictures of people holding these Allwillretire signs, and they post them all over their social media. They're actually asking people to send more pictures, I noticed, on their Twitter. So if you want to get involved with that, you can. But yeah, go check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.